Hi everyone, today I'm gonna share with you how to do the change the struts for Toyota Highlander 2008. Is the models 2008 to 2013 is gonna be the same. I'm gonna change the left rear struts, and this is my very first time doing this and share with you. So hopefully the next time you do it save much time for you, and it take me 1.5 hours. It's not really bad, but if you saw this video when you do it, maybe it take you 30 minutes because you know what to do already. Yeah, so hopefully these videos give you some information that change the struts. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Let's go to the garage and do it. Alright. We need to use this metal brush, and this one is gonna be 21 millimeters, and this one is gonna be 7.5 inch, and this little thing is I believe is 12 millimeters, and we use this one too for little stuff like 9 and 16 inch. Yeah, 9 and 16 inch. Yeah, just make sure we have those things, and adjustable spanners, and this one I don't know what the size is, that Allen key, but you can see it how size is that. And make sure this one we have the dogs to open to take out the tie, and for safe we have to use 2 jacks. One is 3 tons jack and the other one is 2 tons jack, and we need the stand too. Make sure we have those for safety. If you don't have 3 tons jack, it's not safety at all, and we need the stands too, so make sure we have that. Now we remove the tie by using the dogs like that, and turn the way over. Make sure we use the jacks and the stands for safety, otherwise it's gonna be an accident for sure. We're gonna remove this one too, right there, and these 2 big bolt and nuts there. You see these 2 one? This hard one. This hard one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one too, the 5 bolt and nuts. And up here we have 3 bolts in the tops there, so we can remove it. We use the metal brush to brush this one very clean, so because this one is very hard to remove, too hard to turn it, so make sure everything clean and use the spray or oil spray, whatever, to remove that, to make it loose. And we use the adjustable spanner, and this one is Allen key, so we turn like that. The one is hold it, Allen key, hold it and turn the adjustable spanner and take it out, this one, and we remove this stand too, remove that one out. And we use 7.5 inch to open the big bolt, nuts and bolts here, and it's very hard, so we're gonna use the long pipe and the adjustable spanner to keep the other side, and use the long pipe to give more torque to open it. So it's not really hard. This one just like that. And make sure when you put it back, use the same torque too. And we have to remove this one, these two. And to remove this, we use this one to turn a little bit out and lift it up like that, and remove that. Yeah, leave it up, leave it a little bit up, and take out the bolts because it's bending down. It's very hard. That's it. So quick. And we remove that. This already out. And yeah, those one is very easy. And after remove this big bolt is very hard one. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 and 5. This one is 5. To make sure remove this one too. And yeah, that's it. And it's not really hard for this one. It just makes some turn. It's the size gonna be what's that? I can't see it. 12 millimeters. So yeah, just take this one out. It's very easy. And on top there we have the 3 bolts and nuts and stuff there. It's gonna be hang up like this. Let's go. As you are in here. So we open this cap and remove that. And how to remove that? We open this one and by the plier, and we can use the stars to open it. But for me, I use the guns. It's quicker. Yeah, and we use the plier to do like that and take this one out. Because I have only one hand is use the cell phone to make videos, and we took those one out. So we have 3 in here. Remove that, and the size is 9/16 inch. To take this one out, it's not really hard. Just remember that how hard you remove that. When you tie it up, it's the same hard too. Make sure like that. Every bolt and nuts, make sure the same tight. And after everything's removed, we just take this one out. And because I don't have 2 hands, one hand is on cell phone, so I'm gonna cut off and remove like that. Just quick. And yes, very easy. And the new one is right beside here. I bought it from rockauto.com. It costs only 133 Canada bucks, and they ship right from US to Canada just like 1 week. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, cheap too. Brand new ones. And I put in here, just got in there, and we're gonna lift this one up, like use the 2 tons jack to lift it up, and we're gonna hold the jacks to guide it up to the hold up there. We have 3 holes up there. Just guide it up, and we lift it up, lift this one up like that with the jacks, and it's gonna become up to the 3 holes up in the tops, the jack like that. So one hand gonna lift up the jack like this is up, and one hand keep the struts straight to the 3 holes up there. So when we lift it up, it's gonna be up there like that, just like that. And after that, we put these 2 bolts and nuts in there, and make sure everything we put back with the same tight, don't over tight that. It's gonna be breaks. And yes, we put it back the tie, and make sure the tie when we put it back, see the torque is 90 kilopounds, and we do the tight is like that, opposite. So it's gonna be opposite like that. Always do opposite, so the ties when we tied it is gonna be balanced. The rim is gonna be balanced, so that's gonna be good. Make sure like that. So the job is done. It took me 1.5 hours, and check this one up. It's nice and clean, and let's do the test drive. Yes, I just did a test drive. It's amazing. Yeah, I mean, my very first job is amazing. That's really good. And yeah, it cost me just like 133 bucks, Canadian bucks, and took me 1.5 hours, and pretty awesome. And hopefully, when you do it, it's take you just only 30 minutes to do it. So I believe that is the left rears and the right rear is gonna be the same. It's not much different. And the model is gonna be from 2008 and 2013. It's totally the same settings. And thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next videos. Thanks.